Alvin Elchico, born January 30th, 1974, is a Filipino field reporter, newscaster, broadcast journalist, and television host working for ABS-CBN and DZMM, a business reporter early in his career. He was the sole journalist to report from inside the Oakwood Premier building during the Oakwood Mutiny in July 2003. He is currently an anchor of ABS-CBN's evening news program TV Patrol and the morning news radio programs Gising Pilipinas and Radio Patrol Balita, Alas Sait formerly Teleradyo Servicio Balita. Education. Elchico graduated Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communication from University of St. La Salle. In 1992, Elchico started his broadcasting career as a field reporter at ABS-CBN Bacolod. He began also broadcasting career as a news anchor for TV Patrol Bacolod as TV Patrol Western Visayas from 1996 to 1999. In 1999, he transferred to Manila and first became a news writer at ABS-CBN's DZMM. Then, in 2002, he became a news break, now News Patrol anchor, and eventually a field reporter. He also became a narrator in TV Patrol and Bandila, wherein he narrated on Bandila vignettes. Despite being originally assigned to cover business-related news, Elchico was forced to cover the Oakwood Mutiny on July 27, 2003, when he was the only journalist in the Oakwood Premier building who could cover the event in detail. From November 2011 to September 2024, Elchico was the anchor of TV Patrol Weekend, replacing Alex Santos. Pinky Webb was his co-anchor until 2015, followed by Zen Hernandez in July 2016. Elchico and Hernandez are the longest-serving tandem of the weekend edition, with Elchico being the longest-serving anchor of the weekend edition. He is also the senior business reporter of ABS-CBN. He also performs relief anchoring duties for the main TV Patrol edition when one of its anchors have been absent from October 2018 to August 2024. On September 2, 2024, he became the permanent anchor of TV Patrol, replacing Henry Omaga Diaz, who migrated to Canada and was later replaced by Adrian Island on the weekend edition. At DZMM and its television counterpart, DZMM Teleradyo, Elchico anchored Using de Campanilla alongside attorney Claire Castro, Consumer ATBP, now replaced by Beta Consumer. This time with Elchico being the sole anchor alongside the Department of Trade and Industry, USEC, Ruth Costello, Lacas NG Scienzia with Dr. Maria Josefina Arile and SRO or Suestian, Rexion and Opinion with Doris Bigornia. From July 23, 2011 to May 3, 2020, Elchico is one of the hosts of the weekend medical morning program Salamat Doc together with Bernadette Sembrano. Since June 30th, 2023, Elchico, alongside Doris Bigornia, co-anchors Gising Pilipinas on DWPM, the successor of DZMM on the 630 kHz frequency and its television counterpart, Teleradio Servicio. This also marked Elchico's return to AM radio after 3 years. He is also anchoring Teleradio Servicio Balita alongside Joyce Balancio since July 22, 2024, replacing Nolita Castro. When DZMM was relaunched in place of DWPM on May 29, 2025, he became the first anchor to speak on air, anchoring the relaunched station's inaugural news bulletin. Few days later, Teleradio Servicio Balita was relaunched as the revived Radio Patrol Balita. Alas, Sait. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.